3, 2, 1. What's good, loyal gang? Hey, and we back in this thing with another video. Hey. So today, y'all, we're gonna be eating some cake today for my birthday because I didn't get to celebrate my birthday because I ended up getting sick. I was down bad. I was down for a whole week, and I didn't get to celebrate my birthday or have some cake for my birthday. So today we're gonna go ahead and eat some cake today and just taste of that. We're gonna taste the cake. You ready to taste the cake? Y'all know she ready when she down to eat some sweets, man. She loves some cake. You gonna sing me happy birthday? Yeah. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. You're not even singing the birthday song with me. You trying to get the plate. You supposed to be singing happy birthday to me. Wow. Yeah. Remember your birthday right around the corner. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and cut right into the cake. And I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know what happened. And I'm gonna let y'all know some updates on the lid because I know y'all been waiting. Some updates. Oh, you like that, don't you? Ooh. Bow. Alright, y'all, so this year didn't go as I expected for my birthday. I don't know, for some reason, y'all, I just get sick. I get sick way too easily, like, I don't know. But it was literally 3 days before my birthday. And I planned on going out and celebrate my birthday. And I don't know what happened, man. I really don't know what happened. I had all my clothes picked out. I was gonna go out, celebrate it, have fun. So actually it was the night before my birthday or whatever. So I ended up going to bed real late. And as I was asleep, you know, it always starts when you sleep and your stomach starts to bubble and stuff like that. So I ain't think nothing of it because I had just had what I had. I think I had like some taco salad or something like that. So I'm just thinking this, you know, this taco salad not sitting right. So I'm just like, you know, I'm just gonna sleep it off. You know, so I ain't gonna really get up and worry about it. So by 5, it was like hit by 5 o'clock in the morning. By that time I'm like, okay, now my stomach really bubbling. It's bubbling real bad. I'm like, man, what's going on? Like, so I'm trying to think about what I had ate. I'm just like, man, what is it? And then, you know, you get that real dull knot in the middle of your stomach. And that's what I had. And I didn't really think about it. I was like, maybe it's just the food didn't sit right. Or maybe I went to bed late and I just laid right down after I ate. So I'm thinking it's probably just that. I just got some bad indigestion going on. So I take the girls to school, and I noticed that I wasn't hungry. So I'm like, man, well, I'm not hungry. And I still had that dull feeling in my stomach. And I was like, man, please don't tell me I'm getting sick. I'm like, man, please don't tell me I'm getting sick. Driving the girls to school, and then my stomach starts like really going, just bubbling. So I'm just like, oh man. So I'm trying to hurry get to school. So I'm speeding, trying to get back home. Because at this point, I'm like, man, I gotta go to the bathroom at this point. Like it was bad. Like I was like, yeah, I got to go now at this point. And then I kept getting stopped at these red lights. So at this point, I realized that I had to go. Like I had to like go. So I was like, oh shoot. And then out of nowhere, I started burping. So I'm like, okay, I'm starting to feel a little bit better. I'm like, okay, I'm burping. I'm feeling a little bit better. You know, that the gas is kind of moving up from my stomach. And then I feel it start going up slowly into my chest. And I'm like, oh shoot. I'm like, please don't let me throw up in this car. Like, please. And I'm feeling it. It's coming up. I'm like, oh, damn. I'm just sitting there. I'm just like, man, come on. So I'm like probably like a mile away from the house. So at this point, I'm pushing it. Now, at this point, I got to boo and I got to throw up. So I'm literally flying down the street. Outside, I'm just thinking in my head, I'm like, man, this can't be. I cannot be sick. I'm just trying to think. I'm like, who could have got me sick? What did I eat? At first of that, I thought I got food poisoning. I'm just like, man, my stomach just started hurting out of nowhere. So it's hurting at 5 o'clock in the morning. And by the time it's like 8 o'clock, I'm dropping them off to school. It's really hurting. So I'm just like, man, I don't know what's going on. So I'm flying down the street. I'm feeling it come up now. At this time, I know I'm about to throw up because I know when I'm about to throw up. So I'm still burping and it's getting closer and closer. And I was like, please, I can't do this. I can't move on myself and I can't throw up on myself. Like, I'm too old for this. Like, I can't do this. So I pull up to the house. As I get ready to get out the car, a lot of y'all not. As I get ready to get out the car, I open the door and I just go everywhere. Like, I just throw up everywhere. So at this point, I'm like, after I threw up, I got really weak. I'm just like, oh man. I was like, I think I got food poisoning. So I close the door, I run upstairs, and then I go again. Like, it was like non-stop. And I'm like, this cannot be happening on my birthday. Like, that whole day, literally, I was in the bathroom the whole day. I couldn't even pick the other girls up because I was sick. I couldn't move from the bathroom. I was that sick. And I was probably sick for a good 3 or 4 days. I didn't eat for 3 or 4 days or whatnot. Like, it was really bad. Like, oh man. But I'm better now. It's a week later. I'm better now. I'm finally eating. So now I'm trying to eat it. You just ate all that cake? Oh wow. You can have mine. There you go. So y'all, so that's how my birthday went. It was, I spent my birthday inside the bathroom the whole day for 3 days straight in the bathroom, just throwing up. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyways, that's enough about me. I know y'all want to do some updates of Aaliyah. As you know, she is in daycare. You in daycare? Yeah, and you eating cake? Yeah. So she's loving the daycare that she's at. Oh, she's eating more and she's gaining weight. Let me get a little piece because I actually don't even like this cake. Is the cake good? The cake is good? Yeah, I see you were scarfing it down. Like, man. You like the icing? Yeah, you got a big old mess going. Oh, wow. You want some water? Yeah, I think you need some water. There you go. There you go. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because she done had 2 pieces of those cakes, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want her to eat too much sugar. You gonna tell them bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. And as you see, she's trying to get some more cake, so I'm gonna have to end it. Huh? You put cake on me. Oh wow. Mommy. Yeah, mommy's in there. Mommy. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I gotta end it and then you can say bye, okay? Alright, y'all, so that's the end of the video. That was a little update of what happened with my birthday. Why I couldn't celebrate it. I was sick the whole time I was sick for about 3 to 4 days in the bathroom. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, turn your post notifications on so you don't miss the video from us. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Say bye. Bye. Bye.